Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to turn on the Smart Compose in Gmail. Okay, so let's get started. So whenever you send a mail to somebody asking for some kind of request, or if you have requested for the job openings in one of the companies, or if you have sent a mail to somebody asking for some kind of documents, okay, so that time that particular person has to reply for that particular email. Okay, for example, somebody has sent you the job description and they are asking you for the updated resume. Okay, so in that case, what you will do is like you will just click on that reply option, then you will try to reply to that particular person. Like I have read the job description, like here I want to share my updated resume and all. You will type like that. Okay, suppose if you turn on the Smart Compose in the Gmail, okay, and whenever you try to reply to that particular person, okay, for example, if you are replying to the particular person by name John, okay, for example, I'm telling, for example, if you just type hi John, if you just type after that, you need not type anything, like you will get some kind of smart suggestions from the type of the content which you are replying. For example, if that particular person has sent you the job description and asking you for the updated resume, and now it's your duty to reply to that particular person by acknowledging and sending the updated resume. Okay, so if you just turn on the Smart Compose, the Gmail itself will suggest you like what kind of content you need to reply to that particular person. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to show you like how you can turn on that Smart Compose in Gmail. Okay, so let's see. So you will log into your Gmail account with the username and the password. On the top right hand side here, you can see the settings option. Click on that settings option and click on see all settings. So once you click on see all settings, on the general tab, just scroll down and here somewhere you can see the Smart Compose. Okay, so here you can see the predictive writing suggestions as appear as you compose an email. As I said, like whenever you are trying to reply to that particular person, you will get some kind of suggestions from the Gmail or from the Google, like what kind of content you need to reply to that particular person, or what kind of matter you need to reply to that particular person. Okay, so if you just turn on writing suggestions on, it will be turned on, or if you just select this second radio button, writing suggestions off, it will be turned off. Okay, so my advice or my suggestion is to always keep it to turn on, because that will save your time whenever you're trying to reply to that particular person. Okay, so that will turn on the predictive writing suggestions appear as you compose an email. Okay, so not only replying, it will also help you whenever you are trying to compose the email. Okay, so this is how you can turn on the Smart Compose in Gmail. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.